Movable Spaces is a company that specializes in innovative storage and concealment solutions, particularly for kitchens. They offer a range of products designed to maximize space efficiency and create a clutter-free environment. Lift systems. These include various types of lifts that can be used to conceal appliances, cutting boards, or even small TVs. They can be customized to fit different kitchen layouts. Drop-down cabinets. These cabinets provide easy access to frequently used items while remaining hidden when not in use. Kitchen appliance garages. These are enclosed spaces designed to hide away kitchen appliances, keeping the countertop clear and organized. Height-adjustable butcher blocks. These multifunctional units can be raised or lowered to serve as a cutting board or additional workspace when needed. Airdeko is a company specializing in creating aesthetically pleasing and functional covers for air conditioning units. Their primary focus is on transforming unsightly outdoor AC units into visually appealing elements that blend seamlessly with your outdoor space. Design. Airdeko offers a range of designs to complement different architectural styles and personal preferences. Their covers are often made from high-quality materials that are both durable and attractive. Functionality. Besides enhancing aesthetics, Airdeko covers are designed to protect your AC unit from weather elements like rain, snow, and debris. Some models also offer noise reduction benefits. Ease of installation. Airdeko covers are typically designed for easy installation, making it convenient for homeowners to install and remove them as needed. Exodraft is a leading manufacturer of chimney fans and heat recovery systems. They specialize in improving chimney draft and efficiency for various heating appliances like wood stoves, fireplaces, and boilers. Exodraft is a leading manufacturer of chimney fans and heat recovery systems. They specialize in improving chimney draft and efficiency for various heating appliances like wood stoves, fireplaces, and boilers. Improved combustion. Enhanced draft leads to cleaner burning and higher efficiency. Reduced smoke and creosote. Better draft helps prevent smoke backdraft and reduces creosote buildup. Energy savings. Heat recovery units can substantially lower heating costs. Environmental benefits. More efficient combustion and heat recovery contribute to reduced emissions. Shoe lifts are inserts or modifications made to shoes to increase their height. They are primarily used to correct leg length discrepancies. If one leg is shorter than the other, shoe lifts can help align the body and alleviate back, hip, and knee pain. Improve posture. By leveling the body, shoe lifts can help correct postural imbalances. Enhance appearance. While not the primary purpose, some people use shoe lifts to increase their height for aesthetic reasons. Over-the-counter inserts. These are pre-made lifts that can be easily inserted into shoes. They come in various heights and materials. Custom-made lifts. These are crafted specifically for an individual's needs and shoe type. They offer a more precise fit and comfort. Fakro loft ladders, a renowned manufacturer of high-quality loft ladders, known for their safety, durability, and ease of use. They offer a variety of models to suit different needs and preferences. Safety. Prioritize user safety with robust construction and anti-slip steps. Convenience. Designed for easy installation and operation, saving you time and effort. Space saving. Foldable design maximizes space when not in use. Insulation. Effective insulation to reduce heat loss and improve energy efficiency. Variety. Choose from different materials, sizes, and styles to match your home. Wooden folding loft ladders. Classic and durable option, often preferred for its aesthetics. Aesthetics. Shading Texas is a company specializing in exterior shading products for homes and patios in the Austin and surrounding Central Texas area. They offer a range of solutions to help you enjoy your outdoor space comfortably, regardless of the Texas heat. Motorized patio shades. These provide shade at the touch of a button, offering convenience and protection from the sun. Patio screens. Keep insects out while still enjoying the fresh air. Awnings. Classic and effective shading options that come in various styles. Expert installation. Their experienced team ensures a seamless installation process, over 60 years of combined experience in the industry. Focus on exterior shading for optimal solutions, commitment to creating comfortable and private outdoor. MDM-SPLIT. Smart home garden technology is rapidly transforming how we interact with our outdoor spaces. By integrating advanced systems and automation, we're witnessing a shift towards more efficient, sustainable, and enjoyable gardens. Sensors. These are the eyes and ears of your garden. They monitor various parameters like soil moisture, temperature, light intensity, and even nutrient levels. Actuators. These devices respond to sensor data. They can control irrigation systems, open and close vents, adjust lighting, and deploy pest control measures. Control systems. This is the brain of the operation, processing data from sensors and issuing commands to actuators. It can be a dedicated system. Fold-down counterbalance stair is a space-saving solution that allows you to efficiently utilize vertical space. As the name implies, it uses a counterbalance system to make the stair unit easy to raise and lower. The counterbalance system. This typically involves weights or springs that offset the weight of the stairs, making it effortless to open and close. Hinged mechanism. The stairs are hinged at a specific point, allowing them to fold up against the wall when not in use. Space efficiency. By folding away, these stairs create additional floor space, perfect for small homes, lofts, or attic conversions. Attic access, providing convenient and safe access to attic storage areas. Basement access, offering a space-saving solution for basement stairs. Loft conversion, maximizing the available space in loft apartments. Rainbird is a well-known and respected brand in the irrigation industry. They offer a wide range of products for both residential and commercial applications. Known for their durability, efficiency, and innovative designs, Rainbird sprinklers are a popular choice among homeowners and professionals alike. Pop-up sprinklers. These are the most common type, retracting into the lawn when not in use. Rotor sprinklers. Ideal for larger areas, these sprinklers rotate to cover a wide radius. Drip irrigation. This system delivers water directly to plant roots, minimizing water waste. Hose end sprinklers, a simple solution for smaller areas. These connect to a garden hose. Water efficiency. Many Rainbird sprinklers are designed to optimize water usage, helping to conserve. The node you're likely referring to is Node.js. It's a powerful and popular open-source, cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to build server-side applications. JavaScript everywhere. Use JavaScript for both front-end and back-end development, streamlining the development process. Asynchronous and event-driven. Handles multiple concurrent connections efficiently, making it ideal for real-time applications. High performance, built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, known for its speed. Large and active community, benefit from a vast ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and support. Scalability, handles increasing workloads effectively. Web applications. Data streaming, process large amounts of data efficiently. Command line tools, build useful command line utilities. Hirt Kinetics is a Swiss company renowned for its innovative and groundbreaking approach to architecture. They specialize in creating movable building elements that transform static structures into dynamic spaces. Hirt Kinetics uses advanced engineering and technology to develop systems that allow walls, facades, and even entire building sections to move. These movements can range from subtle adjustments to dramatic transformations, creating unique and visually striking architectural experiences. Flexibility. Hirt Kinetics solutions offer unparalleled flexibility in building design, allowing for adaptable spaces to suit changing needs. Aesthetics. The movement of building elements creates stunning visual effects, enhancing the architectural appeal of any project.